will be near Shawneetown around 9:15 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Morganfield and Breckenridge Center. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Galveston and Hardin, and Union, Kentucky. Now for the official